The Chicco Float Bouncer Seat offers a very soothing, self-activated rocking motion that feels similar to a gentle parental sway and does not rely on batteries or cords. Its quilted, organic cotton seat pad feels soft against a baby's skin and gives the whole seat a cushioned, premium feel that is comfortable for longer lounging sessions. A removable toy bar with plush characters hangs within easy reach, giving babies something to bat at and focus on while still being simple for adults to detach when not needed. The 5-point harness and solid wood-inspired base work together to keep the seat stable and secure, which feels reassuring when a baby is wiggling or kicking. Parents will appreciate that the entire seat pad and harness come off as one piece and can be machine washed, making spit-ups and everyday messes much easier to handle. When floor space is tight, the bouncer folds down to a slim profile that can slide into a closet or travel with you, so it is practical for smaller homes or visits to family.